I have attended this engine room file course, which was organized by my company, and I was not sure like what to expect because entire process was done remotely. But when I have attended this course, I was quite impressed with the entire process. I would like to say it was an insightful course, nicely designed and delivered by Chief Engineer Avinash Shetty. This session was extremely helpful because it was full of experience sharing that make this learning session very simple but yet effective. The best part about the course was it included everything, including the watchkeeping, the maintenance, operation, preparation about the waiting, including latest PIQ7, plus in middle there were a poll, so we all got connected at all time, like we are in the topic and how much we have gained from the topic. Yes, and Chief Engineer Avinash Shetty will keep you motivated at all time, and he'll make sure that all session are interested. So yes, it's a highly recommendation. I would like to recommend to everyone to can go through this course who is looking forward for the long term as a maritime professional. Thank you all.
Hello guys, I would like to share my views regarding the engine room file course which I attended for 5 days. The course was very good, and the theoretical knowledge and the practical knowledge with the faculty was sharing was very helpful for me, because I could encounter those problems and had a solution which I could not have faced on board my ship. So it was really good.
Hello everyone, this is Prithviraj. I'm a trainee marine engineer. I'm making this video to share my experience about a module course which I attended a couple of days before, which was conducted by Mr. Avinash Shetty sir, senior most chief engineer, and through engine room files. So this class was basically an online class which I attended for 5 days, which included a complete package of knowledge starting from pumps to electrical department, the regulations, the safety precautions which we have to take, and what all the consequences if we disobey the rules. Since I'm a trainee marine engineer, I'm appearing for the examinations in the next coming month, and this class really helped me a lot to gain a lot of knowledge in a very short span of time. And I really thank Mr. Avinash Shetty sir for giving us a wonderful opportunity to attend these module courses, and I request you sir to conduct more number of classes of the same kind for which we are eagerly waiting for. And the beauty of this class is it's not like all the routine classes in which one-way conversation takes place. This class was really a very interactive class, very constructive discussion was there, and I was really happy to be a part of this session. So I request every one of you to take the benefit of this class, which is very essential for all the engineers, and especially the one who are at off duty, who are been at home for longer time after their sign off. So thank you Avinash Shetty sir and engine room files team for your service is very much essential for all the engineers. Please keep doing this kind of sessions sir. I really thank you so much.